bundle of joy that I got. Managed to get this pretty cheap, so I was pretty happy about that. So it should be, don't want to ruin everything, as well packed. So it should be, guys, a 128 scale or 132 scale monster truck, and there was a car that they were selling as well. Now they had it listed as spares and repairs, so I'm hoping that it's not really going to need much work to it to get it running. But if you know about these little small beauties, guys, they fetch a pretty penny. This particular truck that's on here, guys, it's really well packaged. Sorry about the thing. I try and get stuff done beforehand, but all good. So this particular truck, guys, is being sold on eBay pre-owned right now for £170. Okay, so the fact that I got this with a spare car for £40. Even if it doesn't work, I'm not too fussed, because I will try and figure something out. Oh wow, it's bigger than what I thought. Woo! Oh god, I hate these remotes. I'm not even going to use this remote. This is bringing back some really bad memories. It's not even going to come out the bag. It's not a bad one. It looks pretty decent, but I would never use them again. What is it? Crystals, 27 megahertz. Never again. But that's not a bad remote, that, guys. It's actually decent compared to some of the rubbish that's out there. Here it comes. Well, it's 8 batteries. Yeah. Oh my. That's brought back some horrible memories. So I think this was one of them left in the attic kind of you know, sales. Alright, please tell me this is 2.4 gigahertz. I hope so. If not, oh no, it's not. It's crystals. Blow me net, man. Oh no. This is old, guys. This is some old stuff. Wow. Okay, so I like the colour coordination, the key there telling you what channel you're on. But I am no way going to run that. I'll just change the receiver inside it if that's possible. Okay. Comes with this power pack. Not bad though, for £40. Might be something half decent in here. So you know me, guys, I like bundles. I ain't got a clue what this is for. I like the way they pack stuff though. This is pretty cool. Is this an adapter, power adapter? What is it for? Because I noticed that the remote does take a charger, so maybe you can plug this in to rechargeable batteries on your remote and it charges. That's a heavy. Well, this is old stuff. That is really heavy, man. Things have become more lighter and streamlined. Okay, this is the bad boy, guys. This is the whole reason why I bought everything that's here is for this. The Raminator. Wow. I actually thought it would be the same size as the RC18, because it's supposed to be 18 scale, is it? Or 16 scale? Can't remember. Anyhow. Right, let's get a look at this one. And there's a car in there as well. Right, let me move this off here. Oh, I like that. I like that. You can't go wrong with lossy stuff, guys. That's not bad looking, man. Okay. Should we get a little bit closer? Let's take the top off and have a look at what's going on inside this truck. Okay. There's no pins on the back, pins on the front. That body shell is not damaged, it's not bad. It doesn't seem to have been abused too much. I don't think they've just run it for a long time. And that's fetching a pretty penny, you know, guys. This must be dual mount and... no, it's one motor. Okay. Here, this... alright, so it's a receiver... no, receiver separate. It's going to be a brushed motor. The brushed ESC. Alright, so I can just chain that out. Okay, so where it's not front and rear wheel steering, is it? It's quite solid, that, you know, guys. It's well built. Yeah. It's got a metal drivetrain. And seems like it's metal on the bottom. You can tell it's had some scrapes there, but It seems solid and well built. Battery pack goes under here. There probably won't be a lipos. This thing's probably old. And is it oil filled shocks? Does it feel like it's oil filled? Not really, but you could easily put on some shocks there. That's not bad, man. With some oil in them shocks, you could even, I don't know if the drivetrain is going to be really good, but you could even upgrade that to brushless. As long as the drivetrain can handle it, which it seems like it's metal, yeah. Yep. Axles, dog bones, output shafts, metal. Might be able to handle it. Okay, you can install a second motor there. I think one brushless motor will be perfect. I'll run it brushed, and then try brushless. Oh, I thought they're going to have no lossy stuff's quality, man. I thought it's going to be rubby. I thought it's going to have nothing in there. That's pretty cool. So that's more or less like the Maverick size, kind of. Not bad. And this shell, not damaged. Looks quite nice. Cool. So as I say, guys, that's the whole reason why I bought this. They weren't sure if it was working. It was just like one of them barn find in the attic kind of thing, loft finds. But yeah. So I managed to get this for 40, which I'm happy about because if need be, I'll just change the whole system out and put another system in and hopefully get it working. Yep. And it came with a car. So this car is going to be a 10 scale car. And that's a power plug, whatever. Must be for a battery charger or something. Ricoh battery charger for NiCad. Oh, this is old stuff, man. Anyhow, I'm not complaining. You can always upgrade stuff. I think this is a Tamiya. I'm not sure, guys. But this was just an added bonus, man. I just wanted that truck. Oh. Look at this baby. Alrighty. Can we go out a little bit? No, we can't. Oh, yeah, we can. Alright, okay. Right. Wow, this has got a really old feel to it. Really old feel. Well, you can tell just by the transmitter they were using, the big aerial sticking out in the car. What is this? An Escort? Cosworth? Okay. Tamiya connector. I don't think the batteries will be working. This is old. Had some impact on the front. Okay, let's have a look underneath. This is probably not going to be the TT01 kind of Mini Z. I think it's going to be something really old. Maybe the different layout, the TA01. I've never had the old layout. But I suppose when the person bought this, this was probably the dapper car at that time. And then whoever was using it stored it, and they've never used it, and then it just came up, and I thought, okay, yeah, it's that old. I don't know what a spider just came out. And there's grass inside there, and the spider's just come out of it. Look at this. Oh, that's the first time that's happened. Wow. I don't have spiders like this in my area. Come on, climb on there so we can get a good look at you. Sorry guys, this has turned into a nature programme. Turning into David Attenborough. Oh, come on. I don't like picking spiders up. No, don't run off the table. Come on here. Anyhow, I'm going to have to throw him out. Right, he's on the wheel. He's climbing on the wheel. He's going inside the wheel. Yeah, I've never unboxed something and a spider's come out. He's been there a while though, because I haven't unboxed this. Okay. Right, let me just throw him out. Okay, the spider's gone. Right, for its time, that would have been a decent bit of kit, man. Is that the drive shaft up here? Wow, what is that? I've seen these come up on eBay. I've never actually seen one with the motor mounted on the side of, well, I've never had one. So this must mean the earlier, is it a Tamiya? I don't know, maybe you guys know. But yeah, cool. I'm sure we can find some use for it. They've upgraded obviously the dog bones and output shafts. So someone was a bit of an enthusiast who had this. But that is old technology, man. Okay, right. Check them out on the display stand, guys. Nothing amazing, but let's see what we can do with it. Okay, nothing else in the box. Alright, just the manuals. That's the one for the Raminator. Okay, so it is made by Lossy, and it's old technology, but 1/18th. Wow, okay, cool. And yeah, it is a Tamiya Ford Escort World Rally Championship. And shaft-driven four-wheel drive. Wow, this must be old, man. That's crazy. And yeah, I was just happy to get the truck, to be honest with you guys, because that was a bargain if I can get it up and running. But yeah, this just came as an extra. I'm sure we can find something to do with it. Okay, check them out on the display stand. Okay, guys, so here we have this ancient but lovely, well, I don't know if you can class it as lovely, but yeah, 1/10 scale RC four-wheel drive high performance racing car from Tamiya. And this came out as ready to assemble kit. Okay, so this is the Ford Escort World Rally Champion. Yeah, it's had better days, that body shell, hasn't it, guys? So right, it's got a front and rear double wishbone. It's got a shaft-driven four-wheel drive transmission, and I think that's as high-tech as it goes. This must be old. When was this made? 1998. Wow, wow, this thing's way older than a lot of you guys. What is it? What are we in 22? Right, okay, that's what, 24 years old? Wow, that's a bit of history sat there, guys. No wonder it's primitive. Should I put a brushless motor in it? Should we see what happens? I don't know, guys. Don't really want to put time and effort into that. I don't know. But anyhow, it is cool. It came in the bundle. I'm pretty happy with the fact that I just wanted the monster truck and that came with it. So yeah, pretty cool. Righty. So yeah, we'll give that a little spin, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I might just put it on as an auction on eBay. I've got the 1/10 scales. Do I really want to run that? I don't know if it even runs, and it's got an old system, so I don't know. The thing's not really going with that one. But yep, we will see, guys. So if we do something mad with it, yeah, like put a brushless system in it, it's going to blow up. But if that's what if that's what floats the boats, let's see. Okay, let's move on, guys. So here we've got this amazing mini monster truck, and this is the 1/18th scale Raminator made by Lossy, and they've got an officially licensed body, which is the Dodge body shell that's on there, and I like it. I like that. It's pretty cool. I always wanted to make a monster truck, like a Monster Jam kind of video, and that's one of the reasons why I kind of went for this. So if I can get it up and running, that is cool. It does seem to be the same kind of size as the Maverick Ion, which is pretty cool. But I do like the wheels on this. I like the body shell. It's not a cheap knockoff. It kind of similar to the Savage. Underneath it looks pretty similar to a Savage, guys. The Savage had the twin vertical plates, but this has got that same kind of metal covering at the bottom. So the transmission's metal. I like it. I mean, it's old. It's running on them 27 megahertz, whatever it is. So the system's old. The truck must be old. Hopefully the drivetrain can handle brushless power, because that's what I want to put through it. I'm just worried because it's going to be an expensive mistake if it doesn't go right. But let's try it out. It's brushed at the moment. I'm going to try it out brushed. Let's see if it works first and foremost, and then try it out. And if it does work fine, awesome. If I can do what I need to do, that's cool. If not, it's getting an upgrade. It's going brushless, and it's going to have a lipo in there as well. And let's make it do some crazy stuff. So yeah. So get ready for that madness, guys. That's to come. Okay. Get yourself subscribed, notified, and be ready. Let's see if we can set up something so it resembles the Monster Jam Stadium. I don't know. I mean, I try and make myself look close to what it's supposed to be. That's going to take some real finagling. So, okay. Love that though, guys. That's really cool. I love them wheels and that body shell. That's just awesome. Right, let's move on. There's plenty more madness coming, guys. You see my Batman conversion, guys. I've got a Batman car that I want to convert to a 1/10 scale So look out for that. That's going to be something crazy as well. Okay, let's move on.